Community gardens allow members to control their access to fresh and healthy foods, regardless of their economic standing. Having this access to nutritious food, especially in low-income areas, can significantly impact the community's well-being.
Within our DC community, when we talk about how we can sustain ourselves and reduce displacement and keeping DC what it is, I think of strategies for us to own what we have, create what we have, and be sustained by what we have. And I see community gardening as a piece of that.
Food sovereignty is the right for people to have access to culturally appropriate and healthy food that's produced in a sustainable way that is self-determined for the communities in which this food is distributed. And it puts consumers and producers at the center of food systems and prioritizes people over corporations in an inclusive and equitable way.
Research also shows that engagement in citizen science projects such as community gardens, 1, gives children an opportunity to explore their connections with nature. 2, encourages children to care about the environment, therefore becoming more likely to protect it. 3, improves interpersonal and social skills by allowing children to try new activities and collaborate with new people. And 4, creates a context for children's learning, which makes them more scientifically literate and open to practicing environmental stewardship and participating in civic life.
Children actually learn through their senses, the ability to see, to taste, to smell, to touch, to hear. And I think that there's no better opportunity to introduce our children to the world of gardening than through their senses, which is what we've intentionally done here at Martha's Table.
Unfortunately, much of the United States population today is plagued by a social condition called food insecurity, which occurs when community members have limited access to adequate amounts of nutritious and culturally adequate food. Food insecure community members experience chronic hunger due to a lack of resources or access to healthy foods. Areas without sufficient access to grocery stores are known as food deserts.